Hello everyone, this is Chloe from AEL Battery Company. Nice to meet you all. In today's video, we will introduce the newly arrived EVE 314 Ah lithium iron cells. Some of you might already know EVE 314 cells, also known as MB31 cells, is a very matured and best-selling product for its high actual capacity and long circle life. I want you guys to look closely at the stuffs. What I hold is the EVE double hole stuff. So this stuff are made of pure aluminate. It has a softer texture, which leads to better conductivity and less internal resistance. What's more, these studs are welded by 6,000 voltage laser machines, so it's not easy to crack or fall off. I know in the market there are different types of studs, and that's the difference between us to others. Now let's do the test of the voltage and internal resistance. As you can see, their voltage are all 3.2 volts and their internal resistance are all very similar. That means the consistency of this batch of cells is very good. So we can tell that this is the general grade A cells. And this is the bus bar we paired with the cells. We have two types for you guys to choose. This one is the aluminate type, selling for 60 cents. And this one is the copper type, selling for $120. It's more flexible. All our batteries are meticulously tested for internal resistance, voltage, capacity, etc., and are safely packaged with the foam papering packaging. In addition to selling battery cells, we also sell battery packs. So if you need solar energy storage or other lithium iron battery cells, feel free to contact us on Alibaba.